Hello guys, today I will show you how to detect the hidden rules in Outlook and how to delete them using MFC mapping. So first let's try to configure the profile for the affected user. Well, as we have successfully configured the Christie's profile, Outlook profile, let's check if there is any inbox rule or not. And accordingly, we will check by using MFCMAPI, and we will later on try to delete the hidden rule. So let's check if there is an inbox rule in Christie's account. So see, we do not see any of the inbox rule in Christie's account. Let's check if there is any hidden rule. So here we can see there is one hidden one hidden rule is there. Let's check its description. Now let's verify the same by using MFCMAPI. So guys, if you are using MFCMAPI for the first time, then you have to go to the tools, then options, and then scroll it down to the bottom. Here you will see two options, these two, MDB online flag and memo cache flag. You have to enable these two and then click on OK. Then you have to go to the sessions, log on, and then select the profile whichever you would like to check. So now I will expand the root container. Then we will look for the top of information, and there we will look for inbox. Top of information store we are looking for now. Inbox. Inbox, and we will do a right click on it. We will select open associated content table. Okay, now we will go here and we are looking for message class. Let's make a space for it, and we will sort it, and we are looking for IPM extended rule. See this one, IPM extended rule. This means that this profile has a hidden rule. Hidden rule is detected by this message class, IPM extended rule. Okay, now if we can delete it from here, so let's try to delete it. Delete the message. Okay, so we have deleted it. Let's try to check if it got deleted or not. See, we have deleted this hidden rule. So that's how you can delete the hidden rules using MFCMAPI. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a great one. Bye bye. Take care.